Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it, and I hope that you can see this strange spiral, which is a different type of a grid line. I've applied it before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically, this grid line should disappear after resetting. So in order to reset the settings, we have to tap on this 3 bars icon in the photo mode, just tap on it and tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults and tap on Restore Defaults again. Nothing happened, but if we will go back to the camera, you can see that the camera itself is clear. We do not have the grid lines, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.